have a goal in mind and something you really want to learn, working for free can be awesome. It could be great. I worked for free several times in my life, but I worked for people that was in a field that I wanted to excel in. When I first got to Tuscaloosa, one of the biggest t-shirt man in the business was C. Harris, and I used to do a lot of stuff for him for free. He didn't even have to ask me. I was just trying to learn about the t-shirt business. So I knew it was value in being around somebody with information. I knew it was a value of being around somebody that could guide me. If he needed some boxes delivered, if he needed something done, I would always go in, offer work just to learn. There's no experience like real experience, hand-on experience, learning something. And sometime in life, you should definitely work for free if you know that this is something that's going to build value and add value to your life, and you'll learn how to be compensated for it. So if you're going to be in business, you got to be around business people. Now, that's not saying to be a fool and just let people use you and just, be a slave for somebody for free. I'm talking about something that you really want to do. Maybe it's a business and somebody's in business and you become an apprentice or a helper. Things like that can really change your life. It depends on the situation. A lot of people naturally think, well, I ain't doing nothing for free, but they're looking at it only one way. So here again, I'm not talking about if you have to take care of your family and pay your bills, that's one thing. But I'm saying if you want to grow and learn a business and you want to do something on the side, you should definitely learn from somebody. And the best way you learn is by getting involved in that business. So you will be working for free technically, but don't look at it that way. Look at it like this is, an opportunity, and you're learning from somebody that's going to teach you something that could change your whole life, and you could quit your job and create financial freedom in your life. So it's really all how you look at it.